lagi niyong sasabihin, lagi niyo i-remind ang mga anak natin, ang mga anak niyo na hindi porket nakalaro nila yung bata once or twice, kahit pa 1,000,000 times na yung nakalaro niya, hindi lahat kaibigan, okay? Nandito kami ngayon sa hospital dahil may cancer shindan si Daddy. He's healthy. Pray to God. Let's claim it. Nandito lang siya para mag-check ng kanyang health check-up. Yun. So while we're waiting, hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ko pa ito tinanggal. Hindi naman pala kami nakaandar. Nakalimutan ko. So sumama kami. Sumama ako dahil sumama itong batang ito. Say hi to the guys. Kaya sumama ako. Pero wala talaga akong planong sumama kasi may ginagawa ako sa bahay. Kaya lang, ayaw kong dalhin ni Daddy ang bata natin sa loob ng hospital. Alam niyo naman, para iwas sa mga posibleng, alam niyo na yun. So yun, sumama na lang ako para may kasama siya dito sa car. Although friend ang term na ginamit ko, but kalaro niya. So guys, ito lagi niyong sasabihin, lagi niyo i-remind ang mga anak natin, ang mga anak niyo na hindi porket nakalaro nila yung bata once or twice, kahit pa 1,000,000 times na yung nakalaro niya, hindi lahat kaibigan. Natutunan ko to, I mean like, sa early age na hindi lahat guys kaibigan, okay? Kahit kayo, like, be specific, okay? Like, name them. Kapag katrabaho, katrabaho. Kapag kakilala, kakilala. Hindi lahat kaibigan, okay? And, in-apply ko yan, Racing Holy. Simula nung bata pa yan, lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya, hindi lang kay Destiny ngayon, pati kay Holy, hindi lahat kaibigan, okay? Lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila yan. Iba ang kaibigan, guys. Iba yung kaibigan. Dapat natin ituro yan sa mga bata. Dahil mahirap na, okay? Tayo as grown up, alam na natin kung ano yung bad, yung bad na pwedeng mangyari just because ang tawag natin sa lahat na nakakasalamuha natin, friends, kaibigan. No, they're not friends, okay? Iba ang friend, guys. Okay? And itong mga bagay na to, natutunan ko to when I was in my 20s. Lalo na, nandito ako halos dito na ako nag-develop diba, nag-develop yung pagkatao ko dito sa abroad. And kapag dito ka sa abroad, guys, lalo na sa apart ko, I was very young nung nagpunta ako dito. So parang dito ko na-experience yung hindi pala lahat kaibigan. So yun, doon ko natutunan yun. Kaya ngayon sa mga bata, sinasabi ko din sa kanila. Lagi ko sinasabi kay Destiny na lahat, hindi porket nakakalaro mo yan, kaibigan. So ito na nga, kaya ko to i-share sa inyo dahil kanina nga nakita ko yung bata, pinush siya. Iba yung playful push, guys. Wag yung don't misunderstood me, ha, na porket yung anak ko ipo-push ng anak niyo, ibig sabihin bad na yun. Iba ang push, iba ang playful push sa push na parang sasaktan ka, okay? Sakto dumating ako sa saktong pagkakataon dahil nung pag-park ng car, sakto nakita ko si Destiny, pababa siya, I mean pa-slide siya. Nakita ko mismo kung paano siya tinulak ng bata. Nakita ko sa mukha ni Destiny, hindi siya masaya. Hindi ko nakita yung, alam mo yung nasa tawa, nasangitin ng bata kong kanina pa nila yung ginagawa. Alam niyo yun, yung nagpapalitan sila kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa isa't isa. But hindi ganun yung nakita ko sa kanya. Nakita ko yung mukha niya na parang she was annoyed. She's not happy about it. Like, she's not feeling it. Pagbalik niya, guys, ang bungad niya sa akin, Mommy, kanina pa nila ako pinupush. Tapos, may fan kasi siya. May dala siya ng fan, yung ganito. Kanina pa daw gustong kunin, kinukuha daw sa kanya. Ayaw niya daw, kasi nga ginagamit niya. Ang ginawa doon ng mga bata is kinuha sa kanya, tapos tinapon. Okay? Pangatlo, maraming beses daw na sabay-sabay yung ibang bata na mag-slide, siya daw iniiwan. So, ako, as a mom, hindi ko naman pwedeng i-sugarcoat yung anak ko, guys, na I do this halfway. Ang lagi ko sinasabi, baka iba yung paraan ng pagkikipaglaro niya. Yun, alam mo yun, hindi naman totally na binubuli ka. I would say, maybe they have this different way of playing, okay? Why don't you try their way? Ayoko yung maramdaman na binubuli siya. Ayoko maramdaman niya yung, ayoko siyang maging parang, kapag hindi niya kapareha ng ka-vibe ba? Kung hindi niya ka-vibe, binubuli na siya. Ayoko naman silang mag-isip ng ganon. Get nyo yun, guys? So, the thing is, aware ang mga bata, aware ang dalawang anak, kung ano yung playful at saka hindi. So, pagkabalik ni Destiny, sabi niya, kanina nga pa daw siya pinupush. And now, sabi ko sa kanya, doon ko nalaman na, sabi ko, okay. So, and then siya mismo nagsabi na ayun na nga niya makipaglaro sa kanila. And you know what? Like, it's totally fine, guys. Like, I don't want my children to, you know, to shrink just to fit in. No way, guys. As their mom, as, you know, apart from being a mom, like as a person who struggled the whole life like that, trying to fit in, you shrink until you know, erase yourself just to fit in. It was not, I'm not a healthy, I am now in my, you know, I'm still trying to recover, guys. You know, that is not even dramatic, that's reality. You don't outgrow them. You get older, but you don't outgrow stuff, guys. Like, you know, it's like, you know, it's imprinted on you. You still suffer, kahit anong edad mo na. As someone who struggled a lot of stuff, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially, lahat na ng mga ganung bagay na naranasan ko such an early age. I know exactly how it feels to, you know, to abandon yourself just to fit in, just to be appreciated. I always tell them, if you don't have any friend, play by yourself, but bring 2 toys so you can share when someone would want to play with you. Okay? I always ask them to bring toys, 2 toys, 1 for sharing, 1 for you to play. Food, 1 for you to eat, and 1 or 2 to bring to share. And they're doing it. Hindi to umaalis ng bahay na isa or dalawa lang ang dala niyang pagkain, guys. Dadala siya ng ilan para daw mag-share. Siya mismo magbibigay. Tinuruan ko ang mga anak ko, alam ng mga anak ko when to share. Alam nila yan. You know, alam nila yan. But, only to give the overflow. They don't have to starve themselves just to give. I'm not teaching them to be selfish. Of course, that's not what I want my children to be selfish, no? But they should take care of themselves first. They should prioritize themselves first before anything else, before everybody else, even me. Before ako, sila muna. I mean, like, you know, I don't want them to think of me before them. I want them to think of themselves first. So I let them decide stuff. And about this thing, about these kids at school, classmates niya yun eh. To be very honest, as a mom siguro, hindi ko alam kung ano yung instinct na yun. Like, once or twice kung nakita yung mga bata na yun, naramdaman ko na yun, guys. But I just, okay. Hindi naman. It's not good to choose people who your kids wants to play with, like, whom they should be playing or not. No, I don't, it's not, I don't like that. It's not good. You know, you give chance to every people. But they gave her chances, and what did she say? She don't want to play with them anymore. So it's her decision, guys, and I won't force her to be like, oh, maglaro ka para may kaibigan ka. No, it's not like that. No one should be like that, guys. No one, okay? If they disrespect you, kasi guys, kahit lang mga bata, marunong na guys ha, I mean like, innocent, guys, innocent sila. But may mga bata na may talaga ha. I mean, maganda ipagkait naging bata din tayo. Okay? As a child, ang dami kong gustong balikan ngayon, itong pang doklon. Dahan kayo ng bully, you know, nung bata ako. Daghan kayo bully itong bata ako. Kadalasang lalaki. Kapila ko na ipagsumbagay. Kapila ako nakipagsumba guys sa una. Ilang beses ako nakipagsuntukan guys ng bata. Kaya dili ko magpapildi. Sa bata pa lang ko like ako iniisip. I mean, ginadagdaog na galing ko sa balay. Ginadagdaog na galing ko sa balay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko lagi naisip men. Dati pa talaga. Ginadagdaog na ako sa balay. Dagdaogon pa ko ninyo. Di ko musagot. Something like that. Kasi di ba sa bahay wala kang magagawa. I don't know how you know my classmates, people I mingled or people I don't know how they perceived me. But alam mo yun guys, I grew up walay kumpiyansa sa sarili in something like that, but I don't remember myself trying to fit in. Kung ayaw sa akin, di wag. Ganun ako. Okay? I'd rather be alone than to have a bad companion. Lagi ko sinasabi sa akin in high school ako. I'd rather be alone than to have a bad companion. Lagi ko sinasabi yun. So, I know na I have limited things. I know na hindi ako makasabay sa yung mga hair doctor na mga suklay na yan, mga lotion or mga pabango, food, snack sa kantin. No, hindi ako makasabay sa ganun. Kaya pobre jud kayo ko. I was never been someone who like, I'll do my best just to fit in. Kahit noon pa, I always try to survive, to live kung anong meron ako and make it something like beautiful. Yung ganon. So for example, wala kaming plancha na maayos, uling akong plancha, but I don't go to school na kunot akong sanina. Gets nyo yan guys? And wala ko yung gwapo nga pahumot, wala ko nindot nga mga pahumot, pero na ako kanang, I forget the name of that cologne. I forgot that. But I have this cologne nga, like, ginaampingan ako para humot ko, you know? Yeah. Kung ano, I don't set, dati pa, I don't settle like, inaanin ako, kung anin ako, matsugi na ako ngayon ani ko. I'm not like that, but at the same time, hindi din ako yung, I want this, I want this, I want this. No, I'm not like that. That is why, I never had that pressure on me na, I would want to be like them too. No, I didn't have that problem, guys. And so, I'm trying to, pass those things, kung ano man yung mga natutunan. I'm not a perfect mother, but I went through a lot of things. And I think, yung mga lahat na natutunan ko, nangyari sa akin, or what, I think, that I use it as my, like backbone na ako to raise my children. Because I don't want my children to be like me, whom I used to like, like good. When I say I want to fit in, it's all about lang noon, relatives yun. I shrink myself so much na I lost identity na ba? I mean, oh my gosh, guys, naranasan ko yung identity crisis. I don't know if I have ever like found myself already 100%. Kasi, I don't know. Kasi for a very long time, guys, the more mo kasi na parang, kasi never natin ipapriority ang sarili natin, di ba? Kasi it feels like selfish to do that. That's yung ganun, guys. So, I don't relate with those people who, who like set themselves first before others. But you know what? I come to realize it's not bad at all. It's not selfish. So I'm trying to pass those things or teach or try to guide my children not to be like that. They don't have to no. I will not let my kids do that. As I said from the very beginning, teach your children how to label people, not label. I mean name them, okay? Kapag kalaro, playmates. Kapag classmate. Kapag kapitbahay. Hindi lahat kaibigan, guys, okay? Hindi lahat kaibigan. Kayo din, hindi lahat kaibigan. Kapag katrabaho. Kapag kapitbahay. Iba ang kaibigan, guys, okay? Iba ang kaibigan. Kaya wala akong masyadong kaibigan. Or else wala akong kaibigan, char. May mga kaibigan ako, guys. Hindi lang, busy ang buhay. But, wala akong group of friends. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganun. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganun, guys. I don't like quantity. Let's go for quality. Okay? Let's go for quality. Let's protect our children, okay? Lalo na tayong mga ina, mga father na ang daming pinagdaanan before just like because lahat kaibigan. It's not right, guys. And I discourage you to pass on kids na kapag kasama ay kaibigan na. Okay? Ibang kaibigan. Alright, so nandito na pauwi ang daddy. So I think we're going home and bibili kami ng dinner. it's Wednesday today, so it's pasta day, pasta night. Si daddy ang gagawa. But I'm kind of hungry. And maybe bibili kami somewhere. I don't know. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Sarah, say bye.
Bye.
Sarah, okay ko na ito. Kasi na Sarah, okay ko na ito. Guys! Oh my gosh! Guys, so may natanggap akong email ng ano daw? Teka lang. Magpadala daw ako ng support documents. So, ang dami kong in-applyan, guys. Lahat dinidma ako. Pero may isa. Today may dumating na email na hinihingan ako ng backup, additional na document daw. Kaya, kinakabahan ako. I'm so happy. Kasi, interesado din ako sa work. Pero guys, hindi pa din yan. Of course, alam naman natin yan. Hindi pa naman sure na tatanggapin ako kasi ano pa naman yan. Pero, may interest pa ng konti. Okay? So, yan ang gagawin natin. I'm scared. Yun, takot ako guys. But anyway, update ko kayo guys.